Alright guys, welcome back. We are working on the Blazer. As you see there, I have a tail light out. I do have a little cleaner. I like to wipe it down. Dirt does build up back there. For this project, screwdriver. Sorry. Magnet for when the screws go in there. And what do I mean by that? They go in that little hole and they fall down there and you can catch them, but if you try to get them out with anything but a magnet, then they fall down and they're gone forever. So you just have to wave goodbye, order a new screw. Yeah, so this is what we had. We had the tinted taillights. They were sent to us. They worked out pretty good. Here's the brand new one. Here's the old ones. The only issue with the old one is I'm missing weather stripping, so it was going to be an issue like that. Nothing too bad. I'm going to save these. The brand I got here, it's called Eagle Eyes. What I like about them, they come with all the lighting and everything already there. Bulbs, the board, everything is already in it. Some of these you'll buy them, be careful. You have to reuse your old board. Not a problem, just one more thing you have to reuse. Let me zoom you out here and kind of talk about this. This light I loved. I'll tell you what I didn't like. I didn't like that I always felt like I was going to get pulled over for smoked lights. Now at night you couldn't tell a difference. They were bright as can be. They were really nice lights. They were bright to back up. The other thing that kind of irked me was when you were driving at night and you had your lights on and you put your turn signal on, it would light up, and so you put your turn signal on, it would black out, no light at all, and then flash. So there was a delay, which I felt left me vulnerable, especially if one wasn't working and this was the only one that was working. I just didn't like it. I like when the light stays on and then it flashes brighter. But this didn't do that, and for winter, I'm just going to go back to a new set of lights like this. So let's go ahead, let's remove this one and go from there. Alright guys, all you need is a Phillips. Stick your, that one's in there. There's 2 screws. What I like to do is go like this. Use the magnet to pull that out. Sometimes if your light is broken, this one's not, you will have some issues with your light just falling out. So that screw's a little rusty, but I like to use those. Then you come to this and you pull it this way. And you're trying to get those tabs undone. So this one, since it's aftermarket, it's going to be a little bit harder to get in and out here because we got some wires bumping up against it. But there we go. I'm going to lift this up and push those out. So this one has a built-in pigtail. The new ones, it goes right into the light there. So let me show you how to put this in. Let's shine over here. We're starting to lose light, but take this. Can you even see?
Yeah.
Take this, plug it in. Make sure it goes in, and then you just kind of feed this line back like that. Get those right on that side. You gotta get those back in there. There you go. Simple as that. Take your screws, put them in. Pretty simple job. And what I'll do is I'll do them both and then I'll show you the back end. I really like how this looks. I think I have a picture of the back end with the blacked out lights. I can't quite remember. If I do, I'll throw it in right over the top here. So, but I mean, look at this. That's just how it was supposed to look. Just like that. I really like that. So let's go ahead and let me put those lights. All right, guys, so this is what I'm talking about right here. See how the light stays on when it's blinking? Yes, it doesn't completely black out this side, but damn, look how good that looks. I love new tail lights. And after we fix, look at how good that looks. This is just so cool. I really like this vehicle. Let me come to the side here. It is looking good. It is sounding good. we lost our battery light. Anyways, hope you're liking the shorter Blazer type videos. I'm going to shut this off before it kills me. And now I'm going to shut the door because it's humming. But here we go. Beautiful 93 Blazer. Like I said, we got the exhaust. You saw that in another video. But now we are back to a factory red taillight. Just a factory red taillight. It's what I really like. I didn't mind the black ones. These are lining up really good. Let's check out that gap. Perfect. Perfect. So with that, let's go ahead and wrap this one up. Next one, we'll go out, take it for a drive, and maybe wipe it down really quick. We'll go out, take it for a drive, and then we will see how she does with all the improvements as of late. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.